Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1773rd edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. Don't forget, we've got chat room access mobile now, so join us from your cell phones. Come to livewithoscar.com, join the chat room, and you can chat on the go using your phones. So, remember, traders, before we get into this video, futures trading is extremely risky, can cause and does cause substantial financial loss. You must have risk capital to lose if you're going to play this game. You must know the risks behind this game. You've got to put your stops in first. Never trade without stops and never trade alone. Join me in my live trading room. Now, what is going on for Thursday, May 10th, 2018? Well, right off the bat, we've got a green Omni. Yay, yay, yay. We love to clap for the green Omnis. And a stronger green Omni than we had on on Wednesday. So we have a green Omni, and that is for emini, S&P, Nasdaq, the usual suspects. Green Omni for trading on Thursday. So look at this channel, if you will, or bear flag. If you want to drop this poll on here, it's a bear flag. Yes, we're now just slightly above that orange average, but we've got this to contend with as we move higher. Now, a brilliant day trade would to be able to get long and make it all the way up there. Lots of money there. Don't sweat that. You know what I mean? This is over 27.30 or 27.25, 27.22, you know, somewhere right in that zone. That's where this is. We got plenty of room right now. So a day trade could still get us up there and not knock us out of the box. So we will use our green Omni until we get towards the top of this flag, and then we'll see what's going to happen. So that's your E-mini S&P green Omni trading on Thursday. But there is more, of course. Here's your Nasdaq. Now this one is going to test the limits tomorrow. It's going to test the boundaries because look where we're at. Let's get rid of that bar. We settled here. The top of the possible flag is here, but you did stick out of the flag for a few days last time. Can that happen? Absolutely. Let's give it one day at a time. This market, the Nasdaq, is the only daily chart that is near the top of a bear flag at the moment. You see the S&P wasn't. It had room to go, and other charts are not as well. Let's go take a quick look at the Dow. You know what, let's go to this one. Let's go to this chart. I like it better. This chart's been in each video that you've seen night after night, and I've been telling you that this line is our support resistance line right here, this green line. It was red in yesterday's video, and we were below it, so it was resistance, red. Then today on Wednesday, we got above that line, and I changed its color and said, all right, now until it gets back below, we will call this support. So now we've got our support line, and we're above it. We're still below the average, but we are certainly above the support line. And had we have to figure out some kind of a flag thing for this, we're nowhere near the top of what could be a flag. We can insert a flagpole, but let's just call it a channel for now. We're nowhere near the top of this channel. We've got room to go. So I like the Dow. I like the E-mini S&P. I like the Nasdaq. Let's go take a look at other markets for trading on Thursday. Let's go here. Let's see. Boom. Gold traders. Omni has been doing very well this week, especially in its gold trades. And Omni is bearish for trading gold on Thursday. Bear flag, as you can see, below the 200-bar moving average. Neither of those things are bullish. So we are going to go with the bearish Omni in the bear flag below the 200-bar moving average. On your daily, that's what it looks like. Let's go out to a weekly for a moment. This would be your weekly gold chart. Now, let's just take a quick look at this. Let me pull this into focus. As I've been showing you this chart in video after video, once we ran up into this zone one time, and we got all the way down to the bottom of the channel. And then we ran up to this zone of resistance again, and got all the way to the bottom of the channel. And then we ran up to it a third time, and where should we go? To the bottom of the channel. That's the gold. Certainly for short-term trading, we've got a bearish Omni for Thursday. But there's more. We're not finished with you yet, kids. Crude oil and the two little flags. I told you on this bar we would leave it alone for trading on Wednesday because Tuesday's bar was massive compared to the other ones around it. But it has broken out of a bull flag and looks good. And I like the bar here, and I like the OMNI, and we will buy a dip in crude oil if we get a decent dip sometime Wednesday night into Thursday. Traders, remember, you can join me every day. I am live on camera and microphone in a free trading room. That is at livewithoscar.com. We will be buying the dips in crude, but hold on just a moment. The star of the show hasn't even appeared yet, and here it is. The star of the show is right here, kids. Look at this bond chart. This is the star of the show. Let me show you why. Bond chart looks fantastic for the downside here, and look at this. Will we get a nosedive? Well, if you look at this really big channel, which I kid you not was simply a flag, just took a while for it to go. Flagpole was created by all these crazy lines, and then we had the flag itself. So let's not even call this a pole, let's call that a channel. Now you have another channel. You see what happened when we broke out of this channel? Boom, 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 boom. You had a nosedive, this nosedive right here. Now we're breaking out of this channel, but this one is a much more well-defined bear flag with a very sharp flagpole. Very nice looking flag. And you are breaking down out of that bear flag in your 30-year T-bonds and your T-notes. Will you get a nosedive? The likelihood is yes. Rates should go higher based on what we're seeing here. Traders, come join me at livewithoscar.com. I've got a free trading room, which I am at the helm of every day, and I'm in that room to help teach you the art of technical analysis, how to trade that analysis, and how to stay calm throughout the days and nights as these markets whip around. Remember, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do, in my opinion, to help keep those emotions at bay. And believe me, I know that's not easy, but try this. Once you put your orders in and you got your stops in first and you got your sell orders in bonds, if that's what you're going to choose to do, say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, rock and roll. I will see you all in my live trading room at livewithoscar.com.